Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and we are looking at markets now, and this is of course the Australian dollar US dollar. Why? Of course because, like the name suggests, or like the name of our analysis here suggests, we have a possible zigzag to the downside, and this zigzag to the downside to start from these moments or from these highs and to end with these lows, like this. And this zigzag comes with the following structure: wave A, so wave A here. Let me change the color for it. The B wave here, as you can see, this is a classical contracting triangle for the B wave. The key in the B wave stays with the B2D trend line here. So by the moment that the B2D trend line has been broken, basically we should not look for more upside or for buying call options until the thrust of the triangle comes to fruition. So the thrust of the triangle comes to fruition here. So what do we have? We have A, we have the B, and then a C wave to the downside. This C wave seems to be a fifth wave failure with the first wave extension. So this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the fifth wave actually ends right here, right now, with this very moment. Now, this is an ABC. This is a clear, crystal clear. Why is this important? Because if you go on the bigger time frames, or if you zoom out a bit, out of this chart, you are seeing that this comes after. See here, this is ABC as a zigzag. This comes after another ABC as a zigzag to the upside this time. So I would say that of a bigger degree, in the case of the Australian dollar, US dollar, we have here a wave A that ends here. Then a B wave that ends here. And then a C wave that ends here. Clear five-way structure for the C wave, A, B, C. Well, if this is the ABC, what to look for next? Well, we are looking for an X wave to the downside, and this X wave seems to be completed in the form of the zigzag. Even if, let's say, we are wrong, still need for price to recover for the move to the upside there, and that recovering to go at least towards the area. So still looking for higher values to come. Therefore, the logical thing to do is to buy call options, and we are buying call options here on the Australian dollar, US dollar, with end of week expiration date. As we are having the Reserve Bank of New Zealand also coming with the interest rate decision today, we should also have some interesting employment in Australia. I would say that, judging by how market is positioning, this should be bullish. So buying call option is our recommendation. So let's write here on the screen that buying call options with end of week expiration date is our recommendation. Based on this zigzag, and also based on the previous move to the upside, which is yet again another zigzag. So this to be A, B, C, X wave, and now to look for what? Well, we are looking most likely for another move to the upside that should come at least 61.8 of the previous zigzag, or something like this, projected by the moment that the X wave is done. And as you can see, we are talking about way bigger values for the Australian dollar, US dollar. So I don't really care how the market would position in the end. I don't really care fundamentals, not that they don't matter, but the positioning from the technical perspective seems to be bullish, and therefore buying call options. So long story short, buying call options. Thank you very much. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Keep in mind that all this analysis and recommendations are possible here due to the help of our sponsor, Lion Eye. Bye bye.